It's a green lift for alternative energy. Harrington Hoists, now ROHS green compliant. Our special guest, Brett Lussow, Business Development Sales Manager, welcome.
Thank you, Alan. Great to be here.
Brett, when we're looking at Harrington Hoists, this is a company that goes way back to the 18-whatevers when they started.
No, we go way back. 1856, Edwin Harrington, our namesake, established a machine shop in Vermont. He quickly outgrew that facility and moved to the industrial hub, Philadelphia, and decided to get into the hoist and overhead lifting business.
You know, we always speak about Harrington Hoists being the revolutionary hoist, joining the revolution, that kind of thing. What was revolutionary about even Edwin Harrington way back then?
Right. So, you know, we've introduced products and new products throughout our years, but really it all started when Edwin Harrington introduced the first worm gear hoist. At the same time, he teamed up with Dr. Weston. Dr. Weston was the creator of the Weston-style mechanical load brake, the brake that's actually still used in hoist today.
What are some of the great things that Harrington brings to the alternative energy sector of industry?
Sure. So when we talk about alternative energy, wind power, solar power, one of the big buzzwords obviously is green, and what our hoist is today is what we call ROHS or ROHS compliant. That's the restriction of hazardous substances in the manufacturing process. So we eliminate items such as lead, such as mercury in the manufacturing process, and actually provide a green hoist for those industries.
And I know that's got to be very important for all of those companies that deal in alternative energy. They have to have a green hoist to go with green alternative energy, right?
It's the perfect match.
Brett, I got to ask you about the most famous lift that Harrington Hoist has ever made. What was it?
Well, we've made a lot of famous lifts, but probably the most famous was the Liberty Bell. We've moved the Liberty Bell several times, but the most famous was in 2003 when it was put into its new home, the Liberty Bell Center in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Really terrific. Thanks for being with us. It's a green lift, now Harrington Hoist, ROHS green compliant. Join the revolution.